Yeah, my name is King Solilia, all the way from Nigeria, and I want to really commend Helen Poviga. She has really been someone that is inspiring in the world of affiliate marketing. She has been the one that put me through in affiliate marketing, and she has been guiding me into affiliate marketing, and she has also helped me to, open up Clayback account and start my journey into affiliate marketing. So she's someone that I recommend. She do know what she's doing, understand? She know what she's doing. She's good at what she does, you understand? Sending material steady by steady, putting me through, telling me things about affiliate marketing that has really helped me in affiliate marketing. So I just want to really commend her. Yeah, she's good at what she does, and the way she chats, she's a friendly person. It is rare for you to see. Like, I met her not up to 3 weeks ago, and the way she just really chatting with me, help me out in affiliate marketing, putting me through what I need, what I don't need, the things that, and when it comes to lead generation, she has really been helpful. So she has sent me materials that is concerning, that is all on the niche of affiliate marketing. So if it's come to Helen Poviga, I recommend that. Thank you so much, Helen Poviga, for your time, your effort, your everything. Thank you. God bless you. I know it's not been easy, at times when I chat with you, from work, family, but yeah, you still have time for me. Thank you very much. I really commend you. God bless you.